Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Stradup and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 12th of September, today Tuesday, and in our today's review first we will recall the situation, the experiment of the country El Salvador with Bitcoin as a national currency, what happened with this experiment, and of course we will observe the technical picture of Bitcoin and short-term forecasts. And we will start with an article by Paulo Greca and talk about El Salvador. Thus, in September 2021, Bitcoin became the national currency of the country, and the country's president decided to bet on Bitcoin and took the following steps for deep integration. A local crypto wallet was launched. The country's population was given $30 worth of Bitcoin each. Crypto ATMs were installed nationwide, and numerous education centers were opened, and they even plan to build an entire Bitcoin city. In other words, they did exactly what crypto experts talk about when predicting insane growth for Bitcoin in 10, 20, 30 years. However, as we can see now, that the people of El Salvador do not need Bitcoin, even with forced attempts to integrate it into the country, into the country's financial system. There is no trust in it, and moreover, those who invested in Bitcoin suffered losses because of digital gold has been falling more often than rising in past 2 years. So we can say that the experiment failed. Okay. And now let's see what Paul has written on technical picture. Now let's have a look at the chart. On the 24-hour time frame, Bitcoin continues its decline, which we have been expecting. He says the price has dropped to 25,211, an important support level to trigger new sales at 24,350, 25,211 must be breached, and the decline can continue. The target is 19,607. This is quite realistic in Paul's opinion, as the ascending trend line has been breached. And buying can be considered if there is a clear rebound from 24,350, 25,211 area. Okay, and now let's get to another article by Alexander Sfantis and observe another point of view on technical picture. So here on the chart we can see the black line, which is major resistance, green line short-term resistance line, and yellow rectangle which is support area. And at the moment of writing, yesterday in the evening, it was trading at 25,600. Price has made no real progress over the last 2 weeks after the sharp decline at the beginning of August. Bulls tried to push price higher and formed a lower high at 28,136, but the price came down towards the recent lows. Technically, trend remains bearish. The RSI is off of the oversold area. Price has made no real bounce higher, and the green resistance trend line has not been seriously tested so far. Bitcoin remains vulnerable to move lower towards 23,500 at least. Short-term resistance is found at 28,000 exactly, and bulls need to break above this level in order to hope for a bigger trend change. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for the moment. It's the 12th of September, and Bitcoin opened today at the point 25,165, And now we see several big green candles, and it reached 25,800 already, and now it is trading at 25,739. So we can see that quite a significant jump by Bitcoin today. And it's quite below, of course, the short-term resistance Alexandros mentioned. However, if we remember Paolo's opinion, buying can be considered if there is a clear rebound from 24,350, 25,211, which we can see now. So probably we can buy. Well, this is all for today. We will see each other tomorrow in our next review. I wish you profitable trading. Have a nice day and see you next time. Goodbye.